Years ago, a single team claimed a $1 million prize from Netflix. Their winning strategy was to ignore the search for one perfect algorithm and instead combine 107 completely different AI models into a single massive team. But if you take those 107 models and just let them vote on the final answer like a simple democracy, the entire system breaks down. Think about a hospital setting. If a patient is undergoing open heart surgery, you wouldn't give a foot doctor's opinion the same weight as the lead cardiologist. You trust the specialist for their specific domain. Machine learning models operate exactly the same way. Some algorithms excel at extracting highly specific patterns in data while failing to spot others. Treating every algorithm as an equal peer drags down the accuracy limits of the entire system. An effective AI doesn't simply tally a crowd of algorithms. It needs a system capable of identifying which specific voice in that crowd is actually qualified to speak. To solve this, elite data scientists use a technique called stacking. Instead of relying on a flat vote, stacking organizes algorithms into a strict, weighted hierarchy. We start at what we call level 0. This level is a diverse panel of base models, often completely different algorithms like decision trees or support vector machines. Think of them as department heads, each extracting unique patterns from the raw data. Those base models make their initial predictions, but those predictions are not the final answer. Instead, they are sent up to level 1, feeding directly into a new, powerful algorithm called the meta-learner. This meta-model acts as the CEO. The meta-learner reviews all the incoming advice and evaluates the historical accuracy of each department head. If it notices one base model is consistently right about a specific scenario, it automatically increases the weight of that model's input for future decisions. This hierarchy transforms a chaotic group of competing algorithms into a highly disciplined expert panel, producing a highly accurate prediction machine. But there is a massive trap hiding in this setup. Engineers build these multi-layered systems, hit 99% accuracy on their training data in the lab, and watch the entire system violently crash the moment it faces the real world. This failure is almost always caused by a single mechanical error, known as data leakage. Data leakage happens when engineers train their level 0 base models on a dataset and then ask those same models to generate predictions on that exact same data. Because the base models have already seen this data during training, they don't actually learn the underlying patterns. They just memorize the correct answers, producing artificially perfect scores. When the meta-learner at level 1 receives these flawless predictions, it assumes its department heads are completely infallible. It ends up learning this noisy overconfidence instead of genuine patterns. If an algorithm trains on its own test answers, the resulting illusion of perfection guarantees the model will fail when confronted with fresh data it has never seen before. To fix this overconfidence, the meta-learner must be fed honest, unbiased predictions from its base models. The quickest way to enforce this honesty is a technique called blending. Engineers hide a small portion of the dataset, a holdout validation set, from the base models during training, forcing them to predict on unseen data. As this chart shows, blending permanently locks away roughly 20% of the training data. In machine learning, wasting data is a critical mistake. To use every single row of data without triggering leakage, top practitioners rely on a mathematically intense technique called k-fold cross-validation. Instead of hiding one large chunk of data, k-fold slices the entire dataset into equal pieces, or folds. The system then systematically rotates through these pieces, training the base models on a majority of the folds and having them predict only on the remaining piece they haven't seen. This careful rotation repeats. A new segment is held out, the models train on the rest, and new predictions are made. This cycle continues until every single row in the dataset has an unbiased prediction attached to it. By stitching these predictions together, k-fold cross-validation solves the overconfidence trap, enforcing absolute honesty without wasting a single drop of valuable training data. With the data secured, engineers can safely push this architecture to its mathematical limits, building towering, multi-layered ensemble pyramids. In elite competitions, winning architectures have featured 64 separate base models in Layer 1. Those predictions feed 15 intermediate models in Layer 2, which condense into 2 advanced models in Layer 3, before finally reaching the ultimate meta-learner at the apex. But this deep abstraction requires immense computational power. Every added model and every rotation of the data multiplies the mathematical load. For real-time production environments, these massive pyramids are complete overkill. A live application, like a high-frequency trading bot, simply cannot afford the severe latency required to wait for 64 models to vote. Stacking allows for deep hierarchies that accurately weigh conflicting advice. But in production, data scientists must balance that predictive depth against the literal seconds required to calculate a result.